This is a rescan of this metal target, and you can see that we've got it just sort of informally held between these two pieces of clay, and I've got a mechanical slide and really not that good a mechanical fixture to be able to accurately position this laser line. And then here on the far end you can see I've put in a 100 thousandths gauge block, and we're looking at that thickness across there just to sort of get an idea of how that is corresponding to this scan that we're getting. So we actually have it positioned on the gauge block, right? So this is the thickness of that block across there, and that's that angle we're seeing. So just to give us an idea of something similar, and as we scan across that target, and let's zoom it up, you can get an idea of this is the actual edge surface, and as we're moving over, it's not exactly square. And once I think with some really good mechanical fixturing, that will really help. So just to sort of give you an idea, it's very difficult with this sort of thin material to not be able to get a we're going to need some much better mechanical fixturing so I can position the laser in relation to the line on the target. So question still needs to be answered whether this is where this data is enough. And once again, if we go back to the, that's 100 thousandths thick, and it seems to be doing pretty well on that target, and that's a mirrored finish surface. And so as I transition into this, you can see that, I think we're picking up a few little spurious points, but the main thing is that we can see this edge. And so with that, we could, with some fitting tools, and of course this isn't the right tool, we'll just give you an example. There are ways to come in here and do a fitting tool to go in there and probably make that more of a right angle to be able to measure that width.